Commercial Bank Money Token, CBMT, Use Case Introduction. The Commercial Bank Money Token, CBMT project, introduced by the German Banking Industry Committee with leading banks including Commerzbank, DZ Bank, and UniCredit, is an initiative that brings together bank-issued tokenized deposit systems with a unified interbank settlement mechanism, combining the benefits of DLT and commercial bank money. In this video, we present three real-world CBMT Sandbox use cases: cross-bank payments, ERP integration, and cross-chain DVP settlements, to illustrate how CBMT operates across different banking and enterprise scenarios. Use Case 1. Cross-bank payments. This use case demonstrates how CBMT supports cross-bank B2B payments when two banks operate their respective CBMT tokens on separate permissioned blockchains. Using banks' CBMT mobile apps, customer-to-customer transfers can be initiated, processed, and settled in less than 20 seconds, followed by the banks executing net and gross settlements through their respective control panels. Let's take a look at how this works in the system. User A, an enterprise customer of DZ Bank, opens the DZ Bank mobile app, selects the wallet and currency to receive the payment, and generates a QR code for incoming CBMT transfers. User B, an enterprise customer of UniCredit, opens the UniCredit mobile app, scans the QR code, and sends a designated amount of CBMT to User A. The transfer is executed across two permissioned blockchains via the CBMT bridge and credited to the user's wallet in real time. Settlement positions between the two banks are reflected in their respective convert wallets and can be cleared through net and gross settlements whenever needed or on a periodic basis. CBMT enables interoperability between two independently deployed smart contracts on two different blockchains, covering both transactions and settlements. Use Case 2. ERP integration with CBMT wallets. This use case demonstrates how an enterprise integrates CBMT wallets directly into its ERP system through APIs as part of its treasury management. With this integration, the enterprise can create wallets, purchase FX, and transfer funds across any wallet within the CBMT ecosystem. On the receiving side, the supplier can verify incoming payments using another bank's CBMT mobile app. Now let's see this integration in action. An enterprise logs into its ERP system, which integrates CBMT Console as a third-party module with customizable functions via the APIs of DZ Bank's CBMT control panel. In this scenario, the enterprise needs to settle an unpaid invoice with its supplier. The enterprise reviews the invoice and payment details from their ERP's invoice management system, then uses the integrated CBMT wallet to initiate the transfer. The supplier receives the payment in Commerzbank's CBMT system and confirms receipt in the bank's mobile app. The transaction is logged within both banks' systems and recorded on the blockchain. CBMT wallets can be embedded directly into ERP systems, allowing enterprises to integrate CBMT into their everyday operations and enhance corporate treasury management. Use Case 3. Cross-chain DVP digital asset settlements. This use case demonstrates how an investor purchases a tokenized money market fund, TMMF, from Allianz, which is deployed on a public blockchain, here a Polygon testnet, and settles the transaction using CBMT tokens on a permissioned blockchain under a DVP model. On a made-up Allianz website, an investor reviews the details of the TMMF and proceeds to purchase the fund shares. The investor selects CBMT as the payment method instead of traditional options such as Stripe or PayPal. A CBMT standard QR code is generated on the screen for payment. The investor opens Commerzbank's mobile app. First, he needs to perform an FX purchase to convert a certain amount of euros into USDs. Then, the investor scans the QR code, reviews the payee information and payment amount, and confirms the transaction. Once the payment is submitted, the CBMT tokens are transferred to Allianz's settlement wallet on the permissioned blockchain. The website then receives the payment confirmation through the bank's CBMT APIs and automatically triggers the delivery of the TMMF tokens to the investor's wallet on the public chain. The entire process takes less than 30 seconds. CBMT supports cross-chain DVP settlement between tokenized assets and tokenized money, ensuring synchronized delivery and payment across different ledger environments. Together, these use cases highlight, from an enterprise and end customer perspective, how the CBMT Sandbox empowers banks and businesses to easily implement token-based financial workflows. Banks can onboard an enterprise in minutes, providing immediate API access for them to develop their own CBMT-driven applications. CBMT represents the future paradigm for tokenized commercial bank deposits. As a near-production staging environment, the CBMT Sandbox invites banks and enterprises to participate, experiment, and prepare for next-generation token-based core banking systems. For collaboration inquiries or to join the Sandbox, please connect with us through email